Hi guys! So for today's video ay gagamit naman tayo ng bagong sunscreen natin na from SCT Unlimited Sunflower Sunscreen SPF 50. Protect, brightens, and hydrates. So isa rin ito sa mga go-to ko na sunscreen product because ganda siya. So let's apply. Apply na agad. This is so super hydrating na sunscreen. I really recommend this kapag pumunta ka talaga sa beach, no? And then yung scent niya super nice, super bango. Hindi naman siya super bango na may fragrance. Besides just that, normal lang.